Set time and date manually. Hold adjust until seconds flash. Press search to reset seconds. Press mode to cycle through everything, for example, daylight saving. Toggle on and off by pressing search. Press mode to cycle through city code, changing it backward by pressing light, changing it forward by pressing search. Toggle through hours by pressing mode, decreasing it by pressing light, increasing it by pressing search. Toggle through minutes by pressing mode, decreasing it by pressing light, increasing it by pressing search. Cycle through 12 or 24-hour format, switching between by pressing search. Cycle through year by pressing mode, increasing it by pressing search, decreasing it by pressing light. Cycle through month by pressing mode, decreasing it by pressing light, increasing it by pressing search. Cycle through day by pressing mode, decreasing it by pressing light, increasing it by pressing search. Cycle through backlight duration, changing the duration by pressing search only. Cycle back through seconds by pressing mode. Then press adjust to save. Pressing mode cycles through all main modes. This is timekeeping. This is world time. Alarm. Timer. And stopwatch. Back to timekeeping. Multi-time screen cycle T1 to T4. From your main screen, tap search to quickly view your 4 saved home time zone without entering setting mode. Change home city and toggle daylight saving, for example, LAX. Hold adjust until seconds flash. Press mode to reach city mode. Use search to scroll to your city like LAX. Press adjust to accept LAX. Press and hold adjust again. Cycle to daylight saving by pressing mode. Press search to toggle it on or off. And press adjust to save. Customize the 4 quick home presets T1 to T4. In the main time mode, tap search to cycle through your 4 quick home cities. To change any preset, stop on it and hold adjust. Select your new city with search. And hit adjust to save. Cycle through it to see that it is now there. World Time City selection, World Time mode. Press mode to reach WT or World Time. Press search to cycle through the cities. For example, keeping London, press adjust, and you can hold it to toggle daylight saving on or off for that specific time zone. In this world time or WT, hold adjust and light simultaneously to swap your home time with that world time zone instantly. Countdown timer or TMR mode. Press mode until TMR appears. Hold adjust until hours flash. To decrease, press light. To increase, press search. To switch to minutes, press mode. Press light to decrease, press search to increase. To switch to seconds, press mode. Press light to decrease, press search to increase. For example, for 2 hours, press adjust to accept. To count down the 2 hours, press search to start. And press search again to pause. To reset back to 2 hours, just press adjust. Stopwatch and split times or SWT mode. Press mode until SWT appears. Press search to start and stop. To start again where you left off, press search. Press adjust while paused to reset. For split times, press adjust while running to freeze the screen. Press adjust again to unfreeze. And press adjust after stopping to reset. Adjust backlight duration. From main time screen, hold adjust until seconds flash. Press mode several times until LT1 or LT3 flashes. Press search to toggle between 1 second and 3 second light duration. Then press adjust to save. Now test it by pressing light. Silent mode. You could be on any screen. Press mode for 3 seconds until the word mute appears or you see the mute icon. To enable it again, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds and the mute icon or the word mute disappears. Five daily alarms and hourly signal. Press mode to get to ALM mode. Press search to cycle through all 5 alarms and the hourly beep. Hold adjust on any alarm to edit the time and initiate one-time alarm. Press search to increase, press light to decrease. Press mode to cycle through hours and minutes. And press adjust to save. and press adjust to cycle through one-time alarm, daily alarm, or alarm off. Cycle through the alarms with search, and when you hear :00, you're on hourly beep. Toggle on or off by pressing adjust. If you have any questions, leave it in the description. I also have the affiliate link for this watch. If you purchase through it, I get a small commission. Thank you for your support. I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching. Do come back for the next one.